Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add a little magic and interactivity to your Wix website, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to use Wix hover boxes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create engaging hover effects that really make your site pop, helping you impress visitors and maybe even boost those clicks and conversions. So let's jump straight in. First things first, head over to your Wix website design dashboard. This is the starting point for almost any change on Wix, and it's where all your creative choices come together. If you're not already logged in, just hop over to Wix.com and select the site you want to work on from your dashboard. Once you're inside the editor, you'll have access to all the tools you need. Next, we want to add a new element to your page. On the left-hand side of the Wix editor, you'll see the Add Elements button, usually represented by a little plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This menu is like your creative toolbox, full of all sorts of things you can drop onto your site: images, text boxes, buttons, and more. But for awesome hover effects, we want something interactive. So scroll down until you spot the interactive category. It might take a second to find it. Wix likes to organize things neatly, but once you see interactive, click on that and then look for hover box. The hover box is a really cool, ready-made feature that changes appearance when your visitors mouse over it. This is perfect for highlighting key info, offering a surprise, or just adding a modern touch to your site. Now comes the fun part. Choosing a template. Wix gives you a range of hover box designs, some simple, some flashy, some themed for particular uses like testimonials or promos. Take your time and preview a few templates if you're unsure. Maybe you'll find one with a colored border that matches your brand, or a layout that's perfect for showcasing a product or a quick message. When you spot one you like, just click on it and Wix will add it to your page. With your hover box on the canvas, it's time to personalize it. Click Design and you'll see options to change the frame type. This is the border or shape of your hover box. It can be anything from a classic rectangle to a softer, rounded frame. Think of it like picking the perfect picture frame for your art. The right choice should complement your site's overall vibe. And here's a little trick for adding depth: try the shadow effect. Adding a subtle shadow can make your hover box stand out against the background, giving it a polished, professional look. Don't be afraid to experiment with shadow settings. Sometimes a tiny tweak makes a big difference. Now, to really unlock the hover magic, switch over to the hover settings. This lets you customize what happens when someone moves their mouse over your box. Want text to change color? Maybe reveal a hidden image or animate a border. This is your chance to get creative. Play around with font sizes, background colors, or even swap in a bold call to action. Remember, the hover effect should catch attention without overpowering. It's like a gentle nudge that says, hey, check this out. Once you've made your tweaks, hit Preview at the top right of the Wix editor. Take a moment to move your mouse over the hover box, see how it reacts. Don't worry if the effect isn't perfect on your first try. Adjustments are normal, and the preview helps you dial in the details before you hit Publish. And that's it, you've just added a stylish, interactive hover box to your Wix website. It's a small upgrade that can make a big difference in user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need advice on hover box customization, drop them in the comments below. I love seeing what you all are building. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.